Okay guys, as you can see, I received payment from CPA Grip. It is only $51. It is not much, but it is okay because this is all profit. I didn't invest any money. It is 100% free. Now, if I invested more time and more work in this method, I would probably earn even more money. And that means if you invest more time and more work, you can probably earn 20, 30, maybe even $50 per day with CPA marketing and this free method. And also, please watch this video till the end because most important information is always in the end of the video. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Box Office Mojo and then click here on all time. And then you need to click here on top lifetime grosses, okay? And here you can see top earning movies of all time. And here you can see some of these movies are released few years ago and they are still receiving payments, they are still making money, people are still watching these movies. For example, Black Panther was released 2018 and people are still watching this movie. Titanic was released 1997 and people are still watching Titanic and these movies are still making money. And let me prove you that people are still watching these movies. When we go on Google Keyword Planner and when I type here, for example, Spider-Man and then click here, Get Started, we will see that people are still watching these movies. People are still watching Spider-Man. Here you can see Spider-Man. Between 1 and 10 million people search Spider-Man every month on Google. And when you add specific Spider-Man movies, there is even more people who look Spider-Man related movies, Spider-Man movies on Google every month. And like I said, some of these movies are released 20 or 30 years ago and they are still making money. And if you offer them option to watch these movies for free, people will take that option, people will watch those movies. So what you need to do, you need to go on CPA Grip. Here you can see today I didn't earn any money, but it is early morning when I'm making this video, so it is okay. So what you need to do, you need to click here on monetization tools and then on URL and file lockers, click here. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on create new content locker now. Click here, scroll here, click agree to the terms of condition. That is really important. Click here on continue and now you can create a content log, okay? And here you can see complete survey below to continue. You need to change that. And you need to say something like complete a survey below to watch movie for free. You need to say something like that. And here you can see begin download. We are not offering them anything to download. We are offering them to watch a movie for free. So here where it says begin download, you need to say watch a free movie. You need to say watch a free movie, okay? Because we are offering them to watch a free movie. And this is important. Locked URL. Now we need to send them to the website where they can watch this free movie. Now to find movies that you can use, you can simply go on a website called cmovies.rip. And here you can find full movies that you can watch totally free. Here you can see Spider-Man No Way Home. Or you can simply search movies by searching here in the search bar. So let me just click here on this movie so I can use it and watch it totally free. And this is actually a full movie. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy the URL of this page, this specific page. And now I need to go back on CPA Grip and I need to paste that URL here. And now I need to scroll here and click on show offers in order to add offers to my content locker. So let me just scroll here and I will choose United States. Okay, United States to get the offers from United States. And now I need to choose, okay, email submit 171. Okay, I am going to use that one. So just click here on this star if you wish to use any of these offers. So I will use this one as well. Okay, and I need to add another one. So let's say email submit. I will use this one as well. Just click here on this star and I added an offer. And if you don't want to use any of these offers, just click here on this green circle, and now I will hide this offer. So what I need to do now, scroll here, click on hide offers, and then I need to click here on save to save my content log. And just give it a second, and this is my content locker. And when I click here on get links, I will get the link to my content locker. Now what we need to do, we need to make a landing page because many websites doesn't allow content lockers, and that is why we need to make a landing page. Now to make your landing page, you can use system.io. You can register for a free account. I will leave you link in description. Yes, it is my affiliate link. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create to create a new funnel. You need to give it a name. So let's say CPA, and you need to click here on build an audience. Scroll here and then click create. And system.io will automatically create a funnel for you. So I don't need thank you page, so I can simply delete it, confirm, and you need to choose one of these templates that they are offering you. And it doesn't really matter which one of these you will choose. So let me just choose this one here, just click here on select, and I will add a template to my funnel. So what I need to do next, I need to click here to edit that template. And as you can see here, when you scroll through this template, you will see there is lots and lots of these things. You don't need any of these things. You need to delete all of these things. Now to delete these things, simply click here on this trash can, click OK, and that's it. I deleted this. And I can also delete this. So let me just click here on this trash can, delete, OK. So let me just delete this as well, and this as well. And like I said, you need to delete all of these things. Now I will not use too much of your time. That is why I will not delete this. But like I said, you need to delete all of these things because we don't need that. So what you need to do, you actually need to add a header image. That is always a recommended thing to do. Add a header image, and that image should be something catchy, some catchy image. So to do that, I will simply drag this image here, okay, just like this. And now I need to upload the image. Now you need to first download one of these images. You can simply go on Google Images, and usually movie posters are copyright free because they are used to promote that movie. Like I said, usually they are copyright free. So just click here and then just click here to find the image. Select file. Okay, this is the image. Give it a second to upload, and then click here, insert, and this is the image. It is Captain America. It is pretty cool image, right? So what you need to do next, you need to click here, and then what you need to do, you need to click here, and let's say I wish to add 2 columns. So let me just scroll here, and I will just drag that here, okay? And now I need to add in text, name of the movie, title of the movie. So I can simply just drag the text box here, okay? And I need to delete this, okay? And let's say Spider-Man, okay? Spider-Man. And I can actually make this bold, and I can make it larger, like this, okay? And the next thing I need to do, I need to add an image to my movie. Again, you need to go on Google Images and download poster image for Spider-Man in this case. And like I said, usually posters are copyright free. Now to add an image, just drag this image box here. And now I need to upload Spider-Man image. So again, just click here and then click select file and upload the image of the Spider-Man. So this is the image. Click here open and give it a second to upload that image. And then click here insert, and that's it. I uploaded this image. So now I need to add a link to my content locker that I created for a Spider-Man movie. So I already saved that in my notepad. So let me just copy this, and here you can see open URL, which means if someone click on the image, it will be sent to my content locker. And I need to add that link here. Okay, this is the link. And also what you can do is you can click here and you can add a link to this title where it says Spider-Man. So let me just click here and then click here on this little chain, and I can paste that link here, press enter, and that's it. I added a link to my title for Spider-Man here. So when someone click on the image or when they click here on Spider-Man, it will be taken to the content locker and they need to finish a survey in order to watch Spider-Man movie. And now what you need to do, you need to add another movie right here. So again, just drag this text box here and you need to delete this text. So let's say Titanic. Okay, and again I can make this bold and I can increase font size. So let's say like this. And again you need to add an image of Titanic. Again you can find posters of that movie on Google Images. Usually they are copyright free. So let me just click here and then just drag this image box here. Okay, and now I need to click here and then just click here and then select file and find the image of the Titanic on your computer. This is the image. Click OK. Give it a second to upload it on system.io. Click insert and that's it. And again, you need to click here open URL and you need to add a URL. You need to paste a link here to your content locker. Now this is really important, so pay close attention. You need to create a separate content lockers for each movie. If you have 10 movies, that means you need to create 10 different content lockers. Okay, just to make that clear, you cannot use same link for all of the movies. You must create different content lockers for different movies. Okay, so let's say this is my landing page. Of course, you will add 5, 10, 15, 20 movies to your landing page. For the purpose of this video, I will add just these 2 movies. And what I need to do now, just click here on Save Changes, give it a second, and then click here on Exit to exit off this editing page. And this is the link to my landing page. And now I need to start promoting my landing page where I promote these free movies and my content lock. And to promote my landing page, I use general topic forums. You don't even need to use movie-related forums. You can simply use general topic forums. And to find forums in your niche or whatever forums you want, you can simply use a website called findforum.net. And here you can search forums by the category, you can explore forums, or you can simply search forums by the niche. And what you need to do, you need to add a link to your landing page into your signature. So let me just show you on Warrior Forum how to do that, because I'm a member of Warrior Forum. So just go here and then click here and then click on Settings. And you need to click here on Edit Signature to edit your signature to add a link to your landing page into your signature. So let me just scroll here, and what you can say simply something like this. Watch movies for free, something like that. And then you need to go back on system.io. You need to click here in order to copy the link to your landing page. And then simply go back on Warrior Forum, highlight this, click on this little chain and paste the link here. Click OK and then click Save Signature, and that's it. You will add a link to your signature onto this forum, and you need to do that on as many forums as you can. You need to add your link in the signature to your landing page. So what you need to do next, this is really important. You need to simply start engaging on this forum, start conversations, start threads, start engaging, make posts. The more posts you make, the more people will see your signature, the more people will click on that signature. And if you join to 10, 15, 20 forums, and if you spend 2, 3, 4 hours every day on those forums, engaging, making posts, commenting, trust me, you will start getting clicks. You will start getting people finishing these surveys, and you will start making money with CPA marketing. You saw this works. This is exactly what I did. I promoted my landing page on forums and I made $51. And I was investing maybe 30 minutes per day. But like I said, if you invest 3 or 4 hours per day, you can easily earn 20, 30, maybe even $50 per day with CPA marketing, with CPA grip and content lockers. So this is how I do CPA marketing, and this is how I made money on CPA grip.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.